Oh, hey guys, wanted to give you a quick example of what your STEM notebooks should look like right now. You guys have page 1 and 2. You should have written in your description before you dropped it. You should have entered in a picture. This was before Mr. Spina and I figured out how to take pictures. Your hypothesis about what you think will happen. Uh, what we thought we were going to drop it in the water after 7 full days, the dimensions will increase. These are our initial dimensions. So we wrote in all of our thoughts. And here's what we've been doing the last 3 days. On Monday, we snapped in a picture of our grow creature and talked about all the things we saw. And then I wonder if we had more water, what would happen? Then on day 2, well, it says day 3, but day 1 was the drop day. We noticed that it got a little bit bigger, but the tail stayed thin because it didn't get in the water. The smell was gone. It lost some of its color. And then we shifted it and we submerged the tail to test what would happen if we made sure the tail was in the water. So then today we looked and the tail got way bigger. So we are just documenting the dimensions, how it's changing, and we're doing this together as a class. And this is what everybody should be doing on their own at home. So for tomorrow, we flipped it over and put it upside down. As you can see, I want to see if it flattens out. I'm going to flip it today and see the results tomorrow. So it's just an idea. Everybody should be on day 4 of their observation. You should have page 1 filled out totally. And on page 2, you should have observations in there for day 2, which is the 14th, day 3, which is the 15th, and day 4, which is the 16th. And here's the cool part. If you're behind for some reason, you can skip a day, but just make sure you have your dates correct in here, because it doesn't necessarily, you don't have to observe it every single day, even though you should be. But when you do observe it, you got to be honest about your experiment and write honestly what you're seeing. And write, I skipped a day. Maybe I shouldn't have. Because me and Mr. Spina even said, we dropped it on Friday and then never looked at it for 3 full days. So we might do that different next time. Remember, that's all part of the experiment. All right, hope that helps you guys to understand where we are with the STEM project.